You guys, in the history of me getting food subscriptions, I don't think I have ever been as excited about a box showing up at my door as I am about what arrived today. Welcome to my first Wildgrain unboxing. So let me be completely honest, I fell victim to a targeted ad on social media. Yep, guilty. If people try and tell you those targeted ads don't work, that's a bold-faced lie. They work. And the result is this box right here. This is Wildgrain. It is a bread subscription box. So for those of you that don't know, I am a bread fanatic. You guys know nutritionally that I do not tote low carb anything. I'm here for the carbohydrates. But did you know that as a child, I was obsessed with bread? The bread basket at restaurants. I vividly remember my aunt telling me on many occasions, you know, one day you're just gonna turn into a piece of bread, I swear. Because I loved eating good bread with butter. And I'm not talking just like sandwich bread, I mean like the good stuff. I love bread. If you had to make me choose between desserts and good bread for the rest of my life, I honestly don't know which one I'd choose. Because y'all know I love my desserts, but I really love bread. I really do. And so I fell victim to this targeted ad for a bread subscription box. But not just any kind of bread subscription box. Wildgrain is a clean, homemade subscription box, and I'm so stinking excited about it. So, of course, I got targeted by this ad, right? So when I'm sitting there like tempted, I'm like, I need to order this thing. I need to order this thing. I wonder if they have an affiliate program. Sure enough, they have an affiliate program. So I reached out to them and I was like, hey, can you tell me a little bit about your affiliate program? Your company's philosophy actually fits into my philosophy nutritionally and in terms of ingredients really, really well. And I think we'd be a really good partnership. And I got an email back that said, you're welcome to join our affiliate program. And you know what? If you do, we'll send you your first box for free to try out and share. And I was like, I'm in. I am so in. And so my first box has arrived and I wanted to do an unboxing for you. I don't know if you can tell how genuinely excited I am. Yes, I got this box for free, but if this box is as good as I think it's gonna be and it delivers what the company promises, I'm gonna be getting my own subscription because you guys know that I'm working on cleaning up my ingredients, and the ingredients in this box are supposed to be whole and clean and amazing. And so let's unbox this puppy. Okay, so here's what I know so far, and I'm waiting for information in the box. But I know this comes shipped in dry ice. And the products have been made in the bakery and baked once. So they're already cooked and then they're frozen. So all you have to do is pull them out frozen, put them in the oven for 25-30 minutes, or so they say. And you'll have hot, fresh bread. And I'm just so excited. Oh my goodness. Woo! Yeah, that's the dry ice. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh dear, be fast. Ah. Okay, so not only is this a bread subscription, but they also have pasta and artisanal pastries as well. So when you get a box, you get to choose a box that is bread, pasta, and sweets, or you get to eliminate the pasta and you can have one that is bread and more sweets. And every month, the contents of the box changes. So everybody gets the same box. You don't choose like the specific items that are in there, but the bakery is making a whole bunch of things and that's what you get. And there are some things that are seasonal and things like that. Thank you for being a member of Wildgrain. Thank you for choosing Wildgrain and for supporting small bakers and pasta makers. Your membership keeps the tradition of artisanal, nutritious food alive. I hope you enjoy your first box. We are here for you. Cheers. I'm so excited. I don't even know where to start. Let's start with this. There's so much bread in here. Ah! Okay, so let's start with this. This is fettuccine. This is homemade pasta. Oh my gosh. So if you guys, there's nutrition information on everything. And you know what that means? That means that I'm going to be able to enjoy this high-end clean bread while on my cut very, very easily. That is wildly exciting. Wildly exciting. Okay, I digress. So we have fettuccine. literally means little ribbons. It tells us about fettuccine. Cooking instructions: keep frozen, boil salted water, ideally 8 quarts, gently add the frozen pasta, stirring frequently to separate it, cook 6 to 8 minutes, and then serve. Oh, tip, add a cup of pasta water to your sauce to make it extra creamy. I've never tried that before. The ingredients, y'all: salmonella, water, egg, salt, potato starch. That's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. Now, I think we have to do a bread, right? Sourdough rosemary garlic bread. One thing worth noting is this is a sourdough-based company. They use, I believe I read on their website, a 30-year-old sourdough starter. So this is like legit sourdough, and on the website it goes into the benefits of using fermented food over regular. Like, this is good aged sourdough, not like quick production sourdough. This takes, I can't remember exactly how many hours they said they put into this, but like, it's legit, y'all. It's legit. So we have sourdough rosemary garlic bread, 100 calories for 44 grams. I love that there's a weight per serving on here too. And you preheat the oven to 450, put the loaf on the middle rack without a baking sheet. So you throw this sucker right in the oven on the rack and bake 18 to 24 minutes. I have read somewhere that it sometimes takes a little bit longer depending on the oven, but it says let cool for at least 20 minutes. Check the oven periodically to make sure your loaf is not over baking. For a softer crust, bake covered in foil with an extra 5 minutes uncovered. Interesting. We use the old way of making bread with wild yeast that can take days from start to finish, providing nutrients, fiber-rich bran, proteins and probiotics, and vitamin-rich germs. So for 44 grams, or 1 slice, so there is in fact 4 grams of protein in here, which is nice, and no fat. This is straight carbohydrate for the most part. It has unbleached, unbromated wheat flour, water, sourdough starter, garlic, whole wheat flour, salt, rosemary, and organic cornmeal. The ingredients on this though, you guys, the ingredients, and that's what I'm so excited about, is that they meet the standard, what is even the standard for clean? But like the stuff that I'm trying to eliminate now, there might be something in the pastry, if I read correctly, I don't know, but we can pull that out next. What are the, oh. The pastry, y'all, is cranberry orange biscuits. Moist and scrumptious, our cranberry orange biscuits are flaky with bright orange flavor and pop of juicy cranberries. We love them warm with homemade orange butter. Oh no, what do you know? These are clean too. So again, it depends on your definition of clean. If we go completely by the Jen Smiley program that I joined and am starting to follow guidelines from, these are not clean, but in terms of like not chemically altered things, this is really good. Wheat flour, whole milk, butter, cream cheese, cranberries, orange zest, cane sugar, natural vanilla extract, baking powder, salt. Sea salt specifically. These are 230 calories a piece, 11 fat, 26 carbs, 4 protein. There are, oh, it says 6 servings per container. Fantastic. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Next we have another pasta. This is tonorielli, known as spaghetti alla chitarra. They are traditionally made with a tool called chitara, which translates to guitar. Their shape and delicious texture make them great for a classic cacio e pepe dish or with a comforting bolognese sauce. Same ingredients as before, same instructions as before. It looks like thicker spaghetti is what it kind of looks like. Maybe not even thicker spaghetti. I don't know. I haven't had, well, that's not true. I don't remember the last time I didn't have pasta that was like from a box, y'all, from a box. And now we have 3 more loaves of bread in here. I'm dying with excitement. Sourdough whole wheat bread. Good old sourdough whole wheat bread. Oh my gosh. Can you just imagine this coming out of the oven? It looks so good. And then it all looks so good. You guys. Oh, the struggle bus. These are really cold. In case you're wondering, the dry ice is keeping these freaking cold. What is this one? Sourdough 7-grain bread. We use the old way of making bread with, oh, they said this already. Filtered water, whole wheat flour, wheat, flax, barley, oat, millet, corn, rye grains, natural sourdough starter, dates, sea salt, and cornmeal. Huh. Oh my gosh, and then we have one more in here. Just looking at the bread and the crispiness gets me so excited. Oh, and this is the good old sourdough bread. All right, I'm getting rid of this box, y'all. Whoop, that was my order. It's fine. Holy cannoli, it's cold. This is their good old sourdough. Classic sourdough bread, nice ingredients. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So in this box, which retails for $89 each month or each time you choose to order one, I got sourdough whole wheat bread, sourdough 7-grain bread, sourdough rosemary garlic bread. Oh my gosh, which one do I make first? Cranberry orange biscuit, tonorielli pasta, and fettuccine pasta. And I believe that's kind of the standard, and this was the additional loaf of sourdough bread. I could be wrong, and the reason I say the additional loaf is this. The offer that they gave me for you guys is amazing. If you use either my link down below or my discount code Diva in the Divine, you get $10 off of your first box and free extra sourdough loaf for the duration of your subscription, which is so exciting, you guys. I've been dreaming for days of like the avocado toast that I'm going to make out of this sourdough bread. I can't even tell you. So that is the deal that I've got for you with Wildgrain. Thank you, Wildgrain, for sending me the box, making me an affiliate, and giving me a code to share with you guys, because I'm just so excited. But wait, this video is not over, because we're gonna pop this sourdough loaf in the oven and see how it turns out. All right, buddy, we'll see you in 25 minutes. Okay, well, she be a little crispy. She be a little, ooh, hot. She be a little bit crispy. Perhaps I need to foil these in, like the instructions said, if you want a less crispy crust. We'll see how it is. Now I have the really hard job of waiting about 20 minutes before I'm allowed to cut into this. Let it cool, let it continue to cook in the middle and things like that. At least I'm assuming that's what it's for. So we'll see. She be a little crispy, but that's okay. All right, y'all. Here we go. Your girl doesn't own a bread knife, but she owns this bad boy. I also can't cut things. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's a crispy crust. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna ruin this thing because I can't cut. Oh my goodness. Oh. There it is. Oh, she's beautifully soft on the inside and still warm and incredibly crusty on the outside. Oh, this is the perfect loaf of sourdough bread, even if she's overcooked just a bit. Now I gotta figure out how to cut a slice. Oh, do I need to invest in a bread knife? Oh, there we go. There it is. Oh my gosh. Butter. There we go. That's not even a full tablespoon of butter. It's only 8 grams of butter. Oh my goodness. That is so good. That is the best sourdough I have had in a long time. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, I wanted it to be good. It is good. It is very good. I can't do anything but dance because I don't know what else to say. This is freaking amazing, and this is the original sourdough. So this is the loaf that you get for free when you use my code, which is freaking awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm in love. If you use my link down below and my code Diva in the Divine, you get $10 off your first box to Wildgrain, and you get a free loaf of what I'm eating right now, which just basically sent me to carbohydrate heaven. Oh my gosh, so good. But something that you need to know is my code is only gonna work for the first 50 people that use it. So it is a limited time thing. So if you're thinking about trying this, it'll get you $10 off, and it is, if you like sourdough. Now, if you don't like sourdough, this is not gonna be for you. Let me be very clear. Every loaf of bread that I hold in there is a sourdough-based bread. But if you like sourdough, this might be exactly what you needed. If you want to see my reaction to everything else in this box, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Diva and the Divine, and you're subscribed to this channel, because I guarantee that this stuff is going to be making regular appearances in my videos. So go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to learn more about the Wildgrain life, because apparently I'm in it now. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. I'll see you next time.